have bought some hot dog buns.
We should have. We'll use that dye bread.
We're boiling potatoes with potato salad. It's going to be like so good. That's what the kids like.
Rosemary likes to cook a lot. She has all these books on cooking.
She never uses them.
She does. She doesn't have to use them anymore because,
You make sure on the creation.
well, after you've done so many different recipes, she's got old books too. Right. Just part of her collection of cooking books. Some more up there.
Hold on. Tony, are you about ready to eat?
Yes, ma'am.
You need to call the children, Mama Sita, Grandpa, Papa. Call them all, tell them to come over, okay?
All right, I sure will. Say bye.
Bye.